Taking screenshot quickly can drastically improve your workflow speed. And whenever it comes to editing the screenshot to point out some of the sections, oh boy, don't even think of it. Even if you are on Windows, Mac, it doesn't matter. It's a pain. In this playlist, I'm going to share the tool I use daily in my workflow. Maybe it can help you. So stay tuned and let's go. All right. In this screen, you see there is a tool called Shottr, whatever it is. So it is available for Mac. Windows guys, the similar alternative is Lightshot. So download this. Now, what do you get? What is this beast? What is this kid is in the town? Let's see. Let's explore. I downloaded that. You see, I downloaded. Yes, I'm not lying. I downloaded. I downloaded. No, I installed it as well. You see this S icon. Now, how to install the application in macOS admin? You install it. Just search for it. I know you can, my friend. And also Lightshot is similar. Now let me show what difference they make in your workflow. I use Command Shift and 5 to take the screenshot. Like this. You understand? I can, then I have to save it and then I have to edit that, which is not recommended at all. No, don't do that. There's a better way of doing it. Just click on this S, capture area. Take the screenshot. It shows you this window which you can drag, you can edit. And what you can edit? You can just point some of the things. You can change color. You can change this arrow direction. You can increase and decrease the size. It depends on you, my bro. Then you can take a rectangle, like edit the screenshot. That's what it is. You can pencil. Majorly, you're going to use this arrow. I know. Then, once you are happy, oh my goodness, what it did. Oh no. What I did. All right. This capture area again. And then now click on this edit. And now once you are done, you can, by the way, zoom. Once you're done, you can copy this screenshot. You can capture area. So many capture area. You can edit and then you can save. It's up to you, my dude. All right. Now, if we are not like, I don't want to edit or something, I just quickly want to copy that into my clipboard and then maybe paste it in WhatsApp secret chat. So I can just quickly copy that and paste it wherever we like. In my Mac, there is something called text edit. Let me see. Okay. Forget everything. No. Command V, it pasted without any issues. In Windows, it's same. A little bit different, Lightshot, this keyboard shortcuts, but it is what it is. You don't need to think about it, my friend. This is like for, I think, more than a decade, I guess. I don't know. Don't quote me for that. But this shooter, this is actually a shooter. You see, you can see these videos. Another amazing feature of this shooter is you can just capture area and you can click on this A, text copy to clipboard. I can't tell you how many times I use this feature to copy something from the image. Sometimes my client from the office, they give me some things that is in the image format. I cannot copy, but with this tool, I can literally copy. I literally can copy and that saves me a lot of time. Who types this? I don't want to. So this is amazing. And it is free. Just go ahead and install and use it. I know you're going to do it. And also subscribe. Okay. So this is it. This is better. I don't use this, by the way, in case you don't like after taking the screenshot, in case you don't like this preview, Don't worry, my friend. You are not the only one who likes minimalism. Go to the settings and turn this show to off. This way, it directly, whenever you take the screenshot, it, it just copy to your clipboard. That's it. And again, you can just paste it somewhere you like. And you can use the keyboard shortcuts, which I use a lot. It's Shift, Command, and 2. Yes, Shift, Command, and 2. Done. That's it. See you in the next video. If I don't see you in the next video, I'll definitely heal you. Bye.